2004 BMW 5 Series cluster. The display not working. Everything else works fine except the display. Also the radio not working. Already put a new cluster. This is the old one, the one we took out. That's the new one. I got this one from a junkyard, and the owner of this car, he doesn't want to spend more money on this car. This is an old car already. He paid like maybe $1,500 for this car, so he just wanted to fix this screen. I think it's like an LCD screen or display. So I found one. This came out from a 2005 BMW, same model, 525i, 5 Series. So this is, I opened this one, and the screen is good, but the connectors around it were broken. So it was gonna be more expensive to fix this one than just replace it for another one. And we paid like maybe $25 for this one. So now you can, that's the reverse, neutral, drive. Everything works. So this is a 2004 BMW 5 Series. Cluster was not working. Only this screen right here wasn't working. So it's very easy to remove and install. There's only 2 screws, and they go right here. One right here, and the other one here. That's all you gotta do. And you need a T10. That's a T10, small ratchet or a screwdriver, whatever. Just, it has to be a T10. And it's only 2 screws. That's it. It's very simple. Right now it doesn't have the screws, so once you remove the screws, you only take it out and just lower your steering wheel, lower it all the way, and that's it. Only 2 screws, and it's out. One electrical connector, that one right there, this one right here. So you press down here, and then you put this up, and you bring it all the way here, and this is gonna come out. Press this down, press it down, and then this, pull it this way, and the connector is gonna come out. And then put it in. Make sure the wiring's all the way back to the back. And then 2 screws, one here, one here, and that's it. That's the old one.